Ever feel like AI chatbots are everywhere these days? ChatGPT, Gemini, maybe even one popping up in your WhatsApp? It seems like there's a new one every week. What do they all do? And why are there so many? Think of them like super smart assistants living in your computer or phone. They're built by different companies with different goals, using different data. That's why they have unique strengths. They can chat, write complex emails, find information instantly, and so much more. But they're definitely not all the same. Today, we'll explore the busy world of AI chatbots, who makes them, what they're really good at with examples, where you find them, and the key pros and cons that make each one special. Let's dive in. ChatGPT. First up, the one most people know, ChatGPT by OpenAI. It's famously versatile, like a digital Swiss Army knife for words and ideas. Almost anything text-based. Ask it to write a story, explain complex topics simply like, what are black holes? Swing help debug computer code, or even generate unique images based on your descriptions. Watch out. It doesn't know current events past its training date, unless browse, and can sometimes give answers that sound plausible but are wrong, or just a bit generic. Always double-check important facts. Find it easily on the OpenAI website or through its mobile app. Gemini. Next is Gemini, Google's powerhouse AI. Think of it as the deep thinker, leveraging Google's massive knowledge base. Good at tackling complex questions needing step-by-step reasoning, like planning a detailed travel itinerary or comparing lengthy documents. Plus, it's woven into Google Search, Gmail, and the Google Assistant for seamless help. Watch out. Its capabilities can vary depending on the version, like Pro or the most advanced Ultra, which might be confusing for casual users. Access it via Google Search, its dedicated Gemini app, and integrate it into various Google services you likely already use. Claude. Meet Claude from Anthropic. This AI prioritizes being helpful, harmless, and honest above all else. Safety is its middle name. Good at handling conversations about ethics or sensitive subjects with care and nuance. It's designed to avoid harmful, biased, or inappropriate content, making it reliable for thoughtful discussions. Watch out. This strong safety focus means Claude might decline to answer prompts that other AIs would attempt, especially if they border on risky topics. Sometimes caution can feel limiting. Find Claude on Claude's website. Meta AI. Now for Meta AI, Meta's answer to integrated assistants. The big deal, you find it right inside the apps many use daily. WhatsApp. Good at ultimate convenience. Ask questions using up-to-date search info, generate images for posts, or get recommendations directly within your chats without switching apps. Watch out. It's deeply tied to Meta's platforms and uses data from them to personalize, which raises potential privacy considerations depending on your comfort level with Meta. Find it integrated directly within your WhatsApp apps. Look for the Meta AI icon or prompts. Microsoft Copilot. Use Microsoft 365 for work or school. Say hello to Microsoft Copilot. It's your AI work buddy embedded in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Good at supercharging your productivity. Ask it to summarize long documents in Word, analyze data in Excel, draft email replies in Outlook, or create presentation outlines in PowerPoint. It handles the grunt work. Watch out. It shines brightest for work-related tasks within the Microsoft ecosystem. You'll generally need a paid Microsoft 365 subscription to unlock its full potential across all apps. Find it embedded as a helpful sidebar or feature within Microsoft 365 applications. Grok. Ready for an AI with attitude? Meet Grok from xAI, available exclusively on the X platform formerly Twitter. Good at tapping into the real-time pulse of X conversations. Expect up-to-the-minute info and answers often delivered with a unique, sometimes sarcastic or rebellious personality, unlike most other AIs. Watch out. Since it learns from X, its responses might reflect the platform's unfiltered and sometimes biased or inaccurate nature. Handle with care. Find it integrated directly within the X platform. Perplexity. Need answers you can trust? Perplexity acts like a highly accurate research assistant focused on reliable information. Good at providing precise, up-to-date answers and, crucially, citing its sources. You can see where the information came from, making it great for research or fact-checking. Watch out. While conversational, its primary strength is information retrieval, so it might feel less suited for creative brainstorming or just casual chit-chat compared to more generalist bots. Find it on the Perplexity website or mobile app. U.com. U.com takes another approach, blending AI chat directly into a personalized search engine experience. Good at giving concise AI summaries for your searches alongside traditional results. It's multimodal, meaning it can understand and search for text, images, and sometimes video content effectively. Watch out. Think of it more as an AI supercharged search tool that can chat, rather than a dedicated conversational partner for long discussions. Excellent for quick research. Find it by searching on U.com. DeepSeek. For the data detectives, there's DeepSeek. This AI is purpose-built for diving deep into vast datasets to find hidden patterns and insights. Good at analyzing massive amounts of information way faster than a human can. Used in fields like medical research, finance, or business intelligence to discover trends and correlations. Watch out. This is a highly specialized tool for data analysis. It's not designed for writing poems, making small talk, or answering general knowledge questions. Primarily used by researchers, data scientists, and businesses through specific platforms or coding interfaces. Mistral AI. Mistral AI, often hailed in tech circles, focuses on high performance and efficiency, especially popular with developers and businesses. Good at creating powerful AI models that are often smaller and faster than competitors. They frequently release open-source models, empowering developers to build custom AI solutions. Watch out. While you might use apps powered by Mistral, you generally wouldn't chat with Mistral AI directly unless you're a developer integrating their models. It's more foundational tech, used by developers and integrated into various other AI tools and applications. HuggingChat. Welcome to the AI workshop. HuggingChat is part of Hugging Face, a huge community hub where developers create, share, and experiment with AI models. Good at providing access to a wide variety of open-source chat models. Developers use it to test, compare, and build specialized chatbots for specific tasks, like customer service bots or educational tutors. Watch out. It's an amazing resource for those in the know, but definitely geared towards technically minded users, researchers, and developers, not the average person looking for a simple chat. Find it and explore models on the Hugging Face platform. Pi. Feeling like a more personal connection? Pi from Inflection AI aims to be your personal AI, focusing on being supportive, kind, and conversational. Good at engaging in more empathetic, reflective conversations. People use it for talking through ideas, practicing interactions, or just having a friendly, judgment-free chat. It learns your style over time. Watch out. While it can answer questions, its main goal isn't complex problem-solving or deep factual recall. Think of it more as a conversational companion than a research tool. Find Pi on its dedicated mobile app or website. Poe. Choice paralysis? Poe, created by Quora, acts like a gateway, letting you chat with many different popular AI models all within one single app. Good at easily switching between bots like ChatGPT, Claude, Llama, and others to compare their answers or use the best one for a specific task. Great for exploring the AI landscape. Watch out. Knowing which bot inside Poe is best for your needs can be confusing initially. Free access might be limited, potentially requiring a subscription for extensive use of certain models. Find it on the Poe app or website. Merlin AI. Merlin AI is another handy productivity booster, often working as a browser extension or integrated tool to streamline your workflow. Good at tasks like summarizing web pages or documents instantly, drafting emails, or connecting with your project management tools, saving you clicks and time right where you work online. Watch out. It's primarily focused on specific task automation and assistance within other platforms, rather than being a standalone destination for deep, open-ended conversations, often found as a browser extension or integrated into various online work tools and platforms. ZenoChat. Ever chatted with a helpful bot while shopping online? That could be something like ZenoChat, which specializes in customer engagement for businesses. Good at providing quick answers to customer questions on websites, personalizing interactions based on user behavior, and helping businesses improve customer satisfaction and sales. Watch out. This is a tool designed for businesses to use with their customers. It's not typically an AI assistant that individual consumers would use for their own personal tasks. You'll encounter it as a chat feature on various company websites and applications. Whew, what a tour. So, you see, the world of AI chatbots is diverse. You have your versatile all-rounders like ChatGPT and Gemini ready for almost anything. Then, there are the super convenient integrated helpers like Meta AI in your social apps, Copilot in your work docs, and Grok giving you the scoop from X. Need reliable facts? Accuracy stars like Perplexity or AI-powered search engines like U.com have you covered. And don't forget the specialists. Claude for safety, DeepSeek for data, Mistral for builders, Pi for personality, Poe for variety, and others focusing on work tasks or business needs. The best AI chatbot truly depends on your specific needs right now. Need a creative partner, a fact checker, a work assistant, or just a friendly chat? There's likely an AI designed just for that. The best way to find out? Try a few. Which of these AI chatbots are you most excited to try, or which one do you already use? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for exploring the world of AI with us.